Installation and operation of 10L plasma cleaning machine. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Connect the other end of the vacuum pump. Connect the vacuum pump power cord. This is the air intake. Before opening the chamber after the experiment, this valve needs to be opened. This is nitrogen and argon. When connecting the gas, the pressure should be less than 0.1 MPa. Connect the device to power. Turn on the main power switch. Open cavity. Place the sample. Close the cavity. Turn on the power. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the RF power. Click to turn on the vacuum pump. When the vacuum reaches below 10%, click to enter the gas to be fed. Keep the vacuum at about 10%. After the vacuum is stable, the power supply can be set. Turn on the RF power switch. Cleaning. After the cleaning time meets the requirements, turn off the power. The following is the scheduled cleaning. Set the timer. Turn on scheduled cleaning. Cleaning. Automatically shuts down when cleaning is finished. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.